Hey guys, it's been a week. How's your trading? Did you earn lots of money? In today's video, we're gonna talk about the trend line. It is extremely important for you since it is a fundamental skill to identify different candlestick patterns. Subscribe to our KuCoin YouTube channel and smash that notification bell to follow our future updates. So let's find out today's contents. In today's video, we will focus on two things. One is to understand the trend line and the trend channel and how to draw it. The other is how to trade with the help of trend lines. As we have discussed how to trade with identify the primary trend, and in this video, I will give you more details and this will furthermore complete the trend analysis. Firstly, what is trend line? Actually, you will not find any trend lines in a candlestick chart. Since the trend line is just a kind of auxiliary line, we do make the trend lines by some particular standards. From this picture, you will see that there are two kinds of trend lines, up trend line and down trend line. You must be very familiar with these trends, right? These are what the trend line looks like. So how to draw them? Firstly, you should identify the trend. As we have mentioned before, you can use the continuous high points and low points to identify the trend. If you encounter the bullish trend, please connect the low points or retracement points, then you will get a bullish trend line. If you identify a bearish trend, please connect the high points or retracement points, then you will have a bearish trend line. Secondly, what is a trend channel looks like? As the name suggests, a trend channel consists of two parallel trend lines. As I mentioned before, there are three kinds of trends in crypto markets. They are upward trend, downward trend, and fluctuations. In this way, we will have three kinds of channels. They are uptrend channel, downtrend channel, and fluctuation channels. So how to draw them? Let's watch the first photo. This is an uptrend channel, and to get this channel, we have to connect both higher points and lower points. This also adapts to the downtrend channel, as you can see from this picture. Thirdly, fluctuation channels contain lots of patterns, but I only provide three main patterns that we will discuss later. So you can first know what they look like in this session. In addition, how to trade with the help of trend lines. As we mentioned before, if we have identified the trend, we just need to follow the trend and trade at the retracement point. In this session, I intend to add something else. We trade by following the trend when the trend ends, and we can also trade by the reversal signals. This is called breakout trading. We will discuss the breakout trading in different price patterns later. But in this session, we will firstly introduce this term to you. Also, the entry price is the price of hard point of reversal signals. In this way, please look at the first picture of KSS to USDT candlestick chart, and you will see there is the red uptrend line. This line is broken by a candlestick with a very long red body, which means a strong power of shooting. This is also a very strong reversal signal, and the entry price is the price of the hard point of the former red candlestick. So theoretically, you can shoot at this price in the next green candle. And you can also call the profits at harrowing candles in the green circle, which is a strong sign of changing, which we have talked about in the last session. So let's look at the next picture. You will see that the red line is bearish trend line and it was broken by the green candle with nearly no tails. It is also a very strong reversal signal, since we have discussed before, the longer the real body is, the stronger of power of the dominant party is. So we can call at the price of the hard point of this green candle in the next candle, and we can show the profits at the engulfed candles. Don't forget to set up the stop loss price at the lowest price of this strong green candle. At the end of this video, I had made a summary for you. In this session, we have completed furthermore the trend analysis. Before, we have learned how to identify the trend, and now we have learned how to draw the trend lines by connecting the high points or low points. Then we will have the bullish trend line and bearish trend line. In addition, we will get the trend channels by connecting both high points and low points. If the price breaks trend line, the former trend is highly possible to change. Then we will use the breakout trading to follow another new trend. Normally, the entry price is the price of hard point of reverse signals, and the stop loss price is highest price or lowest price of these reversal signals. This is the end of this video, and in the next session we will still discuss the Fibonacci ratios, since we have received lots of feedbacks that some of you still don't know how to use the Fibonacci ratios in KuCoin trading platform. I will teach you in the next session, and see you next time.